case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In the 1982 Arizona Court of Appeals case Valencia v. White, the court focused on the application of the Worman Rule, which holds minors accountable for their contractual obligations, even if they cannot give back the benefits they received. The case involved a minor who owned and operated a trucking business and an appellant who serviced the minor's trucks, including the replacement of an engine for $10,700. After the minor experienced engine trouble, the trial court ruled that the minor could disaffirm the contract since it was not for necessities, and ordered the appellant to return the $7,100 paid by the minor. The appellant counterclaimed for the remaining costs of repairs and sought a lien on the tractor. The Arizona Court of Appeals reversed the trial court's decision, ordering judgment in favor of the appellants against the appellee, and directing the return of engine parts. The court applied the Worman Rule, finding that the defendant received $19,998.76 in benefits from the contract. Crediting the $7,100 already paid, the court ruled that the minor owed a balance of $12,898.71 to the plaintiff.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit LSD.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.